Okay guys, here we are again for an unboxing video. I am very much excited for this one because this is a gift from my wife, and of course it's a blade. So let's cut this open. So I ordered this on the 20th of January and I just got it after 20 days. So without further ado, this is the very hard to get, always out of stock Terrain 65 butterfly knife or Balisong. For those of you in the know, they are the Balisong is the traditional pocket knife or blade by Filipinos. This is the counterpart to the Higono Kami of Japan. So it does not come with the sheath. It comes with the plastic. I was expecting that there is a pocket for this one, but this is it. It's tiny. So I got this because it's out of stock and it has a koi, which means love in Japanese. So no rattle. This is the Terrain 65 Invictus Balisong. So let's try if I still can remember how to flip it. So that's it, guys. A close-up view of it is this, and it's a custom blade by Dario Caston. So this is one of a kind. One of a kind in terms that this is the only one with the koi laser print. And so as a comparison, this is the size of it. Okay, so that's it, guys. Please like and subscribe. Bye for now.